Jamrock Home. Presents. Country Life. Jamaican Movie. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic Boss.
My gun is really not easy, you know, man. It's really not easy, you know. Look what this pants here. Bigger than me. This can hold all four of me. All one of the foot them cut off star. What kind of thing them here, man? And this my grandfather really wear. You know what kind of thing they all jacket, suit and tie garbage. Come like say me a really maintainer. She really have a right to call me maintainer. Look here. Look here. Real quenga like me. Look into that now. Real quenga like me leave town. Well bush out and trash out. And if you wear jacket and tie in a yard. Like say me a some old man. Me not gonna tolerate this long, you know. Me not gonna tolerate this long, you know. What she really a take man for? She come like that she didn't even know who me, you know. Me have to show her my dark side when me have, you know. She knows a man can get dark in this, you know. And true, me have respect for all elder, me no even do hard things, you know, man. Man up your garbage in a jacket and tie. Why if somebody pass now and all see me? I be a laugh, then laugh off of me. And nobody at town couldn't laugh off of me, you know, man. Everybody look up to me and look for me now. Everybody know if you go look down for me, you know, what say me as some menke in a jacket and tie a garbage. What's a man, the parley child, a real, like say she want to come turn man in a real old man, you know. You know why she do this, you know. I told the girl them good come here make she all do this, you know, want me look old for them no look for me, you know. Yo, now tolerate this long, you know. She better know that, you know. So, think the man has some menke around here, but just hold on and she will see something later on when time it come back, you know.
Come here, Petra. Mommy, I want to know. I'm tired like I want. Why? I want you to go over Madam Josiah. Carry this go give her for me. Over Madam Josiah, Mommy. Mommy, me no want go over Madam Josiah. No, because the woman too miserable. The woman don't just in me as well. She chat too much, Mommy. Me no want go nowhere, man. Mr. Fiki, I go give Madam Josiah. Tell him say Mr. Fiki give this. You understand me? And me no. Me not all be able to come to church today. I mean, don't want you long up your mouth for me. I want you push up your mouth for me, picnic. Come out. Go and carry the Madam Josiah. So why you not go to church today? Go over there and stay over there and have church with her. So why you not going to them, Mommy? You not could have carry this up yourself when you there. Come on, get up. Get out of my way.
Something like a must training me come. A must training camp me come. Like there's a slave she a look, you know. You have gas stove in her house and have man a come in a bush and look. Yo. Have man a come in a bush and look fire cool. Must training camp me come. Better know say all of this soon stop, you know. Try to know say all of them sitting here soon stop, you know. All the things them man are done. Sure. And go down there and she can't tell me, say me if you cook dinner and she see what take place all today. Everything as me just come. Rules and regulation. Rules and regulation as me just come. Not even my yard me not do nothing. As daylight me just take up myself and gone. As me come here now. Bare rules, bare rules, bare rules. You know say me have a plan. She a plan for me and me a plan for her. Oh. We are going to see which and our plan are going to succeed. Nah, Tanya, so. And turn no yard boy for her. Meanwhile, she in a house. You try to know that too. Say man, I turn yard boy. Make a sad mistake.
Me no know why every minute mommy love send me go a people yard. Why she no go along where she want go for herself? Every day she a tell me send me go Madam Josiah yard. I know say the woman love chat. I mean I know chatting. Me no want go nowhere. What wrong with this woman, man? The woman tell us say hungry and send every minute they take up things from out of we yard send go give her. Sir, how this old man here in a Madam Josiah yard? Sir, good. How are you? Morning. You not see me I talk to you, sir.
What you want?
How are you?
What you mean by a woman?
What you not doing in Madam Josiah yard?
Our grandson.
Grandson! You a grandson, I look so holy. What kind of old clothes that you're in?
You know, see, my grandfather clothes she make me put on. Man a chopper, you know.
Which part of you look like a chopper? You there wear your grandfather?
Because she take for me clothes them.
Who take for your clothes them?
No, my grandmother.
You stop saying like Madam Josiah and move yourself from here. So look here, where they look good. You can't chopper put on the woman land, you idiot. She require real.
How you come here so for do? Antagonize me?
Me not come here for antagonize you. And my mother send me come to your not even your grandmother, because you're not in favor. Me shouldn't they tell you nothing. You can't chop up them in a for the woman land, you know. You're not
come to do whatsoever.
Oh, you mean say you're free
to
do
whatsoever? This is my grandpapa land and I'm a grandmother land. You is a total stranger.
Oh, you know what
can't
me a stranger. Me not know who you because guess me what? Me come here every day and me never see you before.
Well, you see me now.
You can't dirty up your woman yard, me say. I mean, I tell her, say, who is you to fear come chat to me? So if your grandmother ever hear, she deal with you. If I your grandmother, because you're not in favor.
The reason you talk to me so, you know, I can see it in your face so you
see
love
what?
me, you know.
Love who? No, Jesus. Me could not love all man. Me not like all man.
Listen, me, I told me come from, man, a chopper.
Don't come up in my face in the town you come from. When me watch pan news, I see chopper no favor all man. So you is not
me have a chopper suit in the house, but you know easy. You know, see my grandmother take. She knows that you come here make me dress up like old man. Watch ya.
Dress up.
I'll cut off foot pants.
You look like one little thief in the man. I want to thief your thief. Madam Josiah husband clothes. Cause me remember the man used to love
grandfather clothes, girl.
So what you they doing all time?
No, the woman want me wear this and me tell her say yo man a young hot boy and
young hot boy, you don't look young and you don't look hot. Who a fool you? Who a fool you? If you did come from town, you wouldn't chat so. And why you they turn round and I look for me suffer?
Look sexy and I look dressed though.
Who look sexy?
What you mean?
And you look all in a what you in a.
Turn round.
Turn round for you. Turn round for you. Who is you if you come chat to me and tell me turn round?
Turn round, let me see your body.
Me not turn round make you see me. Oh. You dirty up your human place. You know say it's me come here.
Me will clean up the place.
You need to take it up. It's me come here sometime and help her. Me don't know who you be. The sun a burn out your head in and burn up your inner daddy clothes there. Yes,
you have
man.
My boyfriend?
And why you dey talk to me about a man for me don't know what name so? Oh.
Turn around.
Why? I want me say me tap turn around and they look for me so. But if me
you don't want a chopper like me.
Me want chopper. You hear me say me no want no man. Me don't know one name man. Cause if me mother ever hear say they talk to me about a man, she lick me down.
Nobody know know.
Oh, you mean say nobody know if you know?
Nobody know if you know, you know.
Nobody know if you know.
You don't want to come in a town with me.
Why me they come a town come do? I mean, you say you know a criminal.
I'm not criminal.
Oh. Me nah come a no town with you.
You don't want to drive in a fast car. Me have car in a girl, me want car, you know.
You want car?
Yeah. Look at just set fire though.
Thank you. Thank you. I me never driving a no car still, you know, because my mother no send me go nowhere, so nobody never carry me in a them car. And I believe nobody no really have nothing.
Yeah, how much?
Me a 23.
Me a 27.
You no look so do. Because you in a the old clothes and sitting, me not like how
Worry
you look.
yourself, man. When you see me change out in my chain and my ring and something, you will see somebody
You wear
different.
them just sitting
What
there.
you mean? A grandma take everything from me.
But you feel
Because she want to
all
turn me
man
in
now.
a old man for nobody to look for me. But me know say you see goodness in me, you know.
Me
For you
see
come, for you come in the yard, me see how you smile and something.
Hello, back up your statement right away. Right away, back up your statement. From me come in here, me see goodness in you. Me know you. Me know you.
But from me see you come, me see you giggle.
Me dey giggle because me see you dey drop the dirty sitting them pa Madam Josiah lad.
So you
And
just
she's
switch
a
for me,
clean
sir.
woman. Oh you mean tell
Yeah,
me
you just have
because
fun,
you
you
dey
just switch
tell
for me.
lie. You dey tell lie pa me and me don't lie. Don't tell no lie pa me. Ah.
So you regular come look for grandma?
Every day me come here and carry fruit come give her because my mother send me every day come look for her because she live by herself. So me not go in there with you know. Because your grandma miserably for your
I
grandma
need to tell you. Suppose you ever see the long list where a woman give me say every morning me have to go look this. When me there told me not do that, you know, we have gas stove and everything. The woman all have gas stove in the house and the woman no want use it, you know. I don't want for rainy day, you know.
So she
Before me
time.
I sweat.
A fire she cook pan in and when me go in there when she tell me sometime fi go down at the kitchen, me see this stove turn up chang in there. So she turn.
Top chopper like me, I feel feed foul in the early morning. As me just come in and me white clothes and my socks and me chopper slippers and
What
something,
I
you know.
want to see how you
You understand the woman send me go feed foul, you know.
Some of the time when me come and me help her feed, there's nothing wrong with that.
I mean nothing wrong with that.
That we do in the
The only
village.
thing me do at daytime in my fast car and pop anything in a girl.
So you have vehicle.
What you mean?
So you come down here and they walk up and down.
Because my mother bring me come down here.
So what make your mother carry? That no sound right.
Yo.
How happen?
She said me a misbehave at town. Just
So-
to man I earn more money than her and thing. You understand?
So
Me
you
I say she
work,
like
sir.
that.
What
What you
kind
mean?
of work you do?
A chopping me do, you know.
But when we hear pan news about chopping in a sound right, that
No,
don't
it sound
sound
right.
right. Well,
You know want a
me
chopper
no
in your
want no
life.
chopper man. Me want a man who go a bush and me and him go a bush, go plant ground, and that we do down here. And when we
That's
plant
why
and
me
we
take you out
raise
of them life,
animals.
yeah.
But me won't look good in them the vehicle they sir.
What you mean?
Cause me no know if
Change you off and cream up your ear. Buy nice chain,
ear.
put round your
You
neck
know
and nice.
chain?
What you mean? And
you
gold,
know
gold
long
ears ring
me
in your
want.
ears.
Me want bore my ears and me want cream my ear. And my mother won't make me do it,
So
you
you
know.
say, that means say you come at the right place. You come like say all of God send me come here so you know. So me can meet you, you know.
You make me
Turn
feel
around,
good. Oh
Pretty,
God.
man. You know say you're pretty.
Me pretty.
What you mean?
No sir. And nobody not tell me so.
Well, me I tell you now.
My mother say any man tell me so and she see me she a go broke me up. So me not think of the right thing here then.
Well, you know, if you tell her nothing, you know, that's between the two of you.
Well I hope so. This a for your grandma. Tell her I say me name Petra and me couldn't tap cause mommy saying don't send me go down a bush. Yeah. So you have to take out this thing
So
then?
you could bring some ripe soursop so me can name and no give her none.
No. I not for me, you know. You me say my mother look them for your grandma.
So now no
So
ripe
where you take
soursop
them
down
out?
here.
Wow, we have with you. Listen to me. Don't get me upset. Me don't know you.
So
Me
when you
don't
come-
know you.
So when you come back and look for me. Like you know say a real queen and a Jenna there in the place. When you come look for me.
Me don't know because I only when my mother send me out, me come out of here. Cause if me come out of the yard without my mother know, she will lick me.
Just
and
tell her
me
say you come look for my grandma.
Me never tell her that, so me not think it a go work.
Listen me. You don't know if you tell lie. Tell her,
Oh!
listen me. Tell her say you come look for my grandmother.
You know my mother? You know who is my
Let me
mother?
tell you, man. Tell her say you come here, right? And you see my grandmother look sick. So you can check up on her tomorrow morning.
Lord Jesus, how you want to tell that the big old lie then? When my mother come, and she tell him say no go so. What you think my mother they go do? Me not tell
Tell
me
her
mother
say
no
do the
lie.
things that she is sick. You don't know if you tell lie little girl.
Nah, me don't want. Who you call little girl? Who you call little girl? Old boy from town in a old clothes. Who you call little girl? Don't touch me. Who you call little
you
girl?
behave, sir.
You don't even look good. Move yourself from here, so. Who you call little girl? I saw no
You not
town
be a
man
place
come
of
down
rough, you know,
here.
girl.
Don't touch me, say. Uno town man come down here and come think say uno can call style people. My mother say no man no fi call me old girl and lick me and style me no way. Me fi
Sorry,
style them back.
Sorry, man.
You come
Sorry.
from town, move from here, so boy you have fast car and something. I don't know if you talk to people, girl pick me.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, go give your grandma, man.
Make sure you come tomorrow, come look for
Me
me.
not call look for you because you come call me little girl.
Sorry, man.
Go down where they go come clean up your man yard because me used to help her.
I say make sure you come look for me tomorrow.
Go down, you favor old man, you say you favor your grandpa.
Don't worry yourself, man. When you see me in a chopper suit, you will know what take place.
I hear that. He look good, you see, man. Is Yasser Errol leaving bag on the dinner table? Errol, he must have lose his mind. Alright, let me see what I'm having here. Errol don't know that I don't do things like that, you know. I love when my place is neat and nice. What is this? What is this? What am I doing with so much glasses in him bag? Tell me now. What one person doing with so much glass? I think I like this one. This one looks very nice. Like it would fit my face. I'm going to take this one. By the way, I'm not going to give him any of them because I don't know what he's doing with so much glasses and they look very nice and expensive. Especially this one. This one look unusual. I don't really see anybody in this. I wonder where he get the money to buy all of this. I don't think his mother give him a proper search, you know. Children like that, you have to... What kind of clothes is this? The one I armpit out a door? Alright, so these are the things he planned to wear in my house. It's not going to work. Alright, Mr. Errol. But it look like all of them shaped the same way. Okay, him have plan. Alright, sir, let me see what else you have in here. But where am going with all of these things? Yeah? These are garbage. Garbage. Shorts. Alright. You're not putting on one in this yard. Not even one. Wonder what else him have. Why am I hiding here so? Oh my God. What him doing with that chopper? Oh Lord. Him thinks I'm coming to a butcher shop? Jesus, peace, have mercy, Lord. Have mercy, Lord. I can imagine now, sir, what my daughter is going. Oh, Jesus, have mercy, God. Wait until my grandson come here. Dog one near me. What him doing with mighty God of Daniel? These phones look very expensive. You know what? Him have to tell me where him get all of these things and why him thinks I need 2 knives to come down here. I want to tear him to pieces when I'm done with this boy. Mighty God of Daniel. So I can imagine my poor daughter. Oh Lord, when him up them stress out. Mighty God of Daniel. I'm going out there to him. Jesus, peace. This boy want to mad the family. Oh, Jesus, help us, Lord. Jeremiah! Jeremiah!
Ethic alongside Sister Petra. Up and Christ who them
heat and light, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last year.